Today we are on a special mission along the Baltic Sea coast. I'm riding along the Curonian Spit, a UNESCO World Heritage Site divided between Russia and Lithuania. My first plan was to rent a bicycle in NUDE and go straight to Klaipėda, crossing the 50 kilometers of the Lithuanian peninsula.
So difficult to get to Kaliningrad.
In fact, I'm going west, one of those territories that the Soviet Union gained after World War II. Since Russia invaded Ukraine on 24th of February 2022, a new Iron Curtain divides Western Europe from Russia. The closer I get to the border, the fewer people I see. Actually, just a couple of naturists.
Finally, we got to the border between Kaliningrad and Lithuania. I'm here in front of the border between Lithuania and Kaliningrad. I can see a flower here. Plus, with a bit of attention, I found also this peace symbol. It's spoiled, but we can recreate it.
Here we have my mission's bounty, the Baltic amber. More than 90% of the world's amber comes from the Kaliningrad Oblast of Russia. So I'm pretty sure they will not notice I stole some of it.